Hello gardeners, welcome back to the Herbal Keys. Summer heat is arriving rapidly. If you do not get these 3 essential herbs into your garden beds by the end of June, you risk losing your window for a massive harvest. We are racing against the climbing sun to establish deep, resilient roots before the soil begins to bake. Proper timing is the difference between a struggling plant and a flourishing one. Let us dive into these summer staples. Today, we show you the botanical transformations needed to finish your season strong, covering soil prep, transplanting, and maintenance. These steps are your definitive guide to a high-yield patch. If you find this guide helpful, please hype the video, like it, and subscribe. Join our community of growers as we cultivate a productive and beautiful backyard space together. Grab a glass of iced tea, get comfortable, and let's get started with our 3 herbs. Basil is a heat-loving powerhouse that thrives when the mercury climbs. Varieties like African Blue Basil are wired for intense sun and serve as a culinary backbone. Use it in fresh summer salads or as a fragrant addition to your flower beds. This herb loves consistent warmth and will reward your attention with rapid, lush growth. When you select the right variety, you gain a plant that handles the heat effortlessly and reliably. Establish basil by burying the stem up to the lowest set of true leaves. This encourages secondary root growth, which acts as an anchor during summer storms. Burying the stem creates a stronger foundation, helping your plant stay upright even as winds pick up. This technique ensures your basil is deeply connected to the earth. By creating this robust structure, you give the plant the stability it needs. Consistent moisture ensures it establishes quickly. Rosemary is the definition of a hardy, evergreen staple. Once established, it remains a permanent fixture in your culinary landscape. Think of it as a long-term investment, providing fresh, aromatic sprigs for roasted vegetables or herb-infused oils all year long. It is incredibly drought-tolerant once it settles into its new home. You will appreciate how its woody structure adds a beautiful architectural element to your garden. Rosemary is an essential high-performance plant that serves you well. To ensure success, use the double dig technique. Loosen the soil at least 10 inches deep to encourage downward root growth away from the surface heat. Remove the topsoil, loosen subsoil with a fork, and amend it before replacing the layer. This creates a soft pathway for deep, woody roots to explore without meeting resistance. By preparing the soil this way, you allow the rosemary to find moisture deep underground during the hottest summer days. Oregano is famously low maintenance and resilient against drought. Choosing Greek oregano provides an intensely flavorful profile perfect for Mediterranean dishes. It is a plant that provides a robust, spicy harvest even during the driest weeks of summer. Its low-growing, spreading habit makes it a great candidate for filling in gaps or lining garden paths. You will find that this variety is remarkably tough, shrugging off heat that would stress other greens. It is truly essential. To manage oregano, prune back the faded flower stems. This simple action redirects the plant's energy into leaf production rather than seed creation. By snipping back blooms in late June, you ensure a bushier, more compact plant that is better equipped to handle the heat. You should look for those small flower clusters and remove them before they mature. This routine keeps the plant focused on creating flavorful foliage while keeping your oregano neat. By mastering these transplanting techniques, you have prepared your garden to handle the peak of summer. Remember, the goal is deep roots, strategic moisture management, and timely pruning. These practices will reward you with a bounty that carries your kitchen into the cool days of autumn. By giving these herbs the right start in June, your garden will be optimized for heat, growth, and flavor. You now have the tools to ensure your garden remains a powerhouse all season. Thank you for spending your time with me today. If you found this information valuable, please like this video and subscribe to the Herbal Keys for more seasonal tips. We're here to help you achieve your best growing season yet, and we look forward to seeing your harvest thrive throughout the summer months ahead. Please leave a comment below with your favorite summer tips to beat the heat. Don't forget your sunscreen. We will see you next time.